Welcome to Anil TV Educations. Today's our topic is spell rules for adding ed to form the past participle. So here some regular verbs change their spelling when they are ended with ed is added to form the past participle. So here verbs ending in a silent letter e. So here when a regular verb ends in a silent e, only the letter d must be added in order to form the past participle. So here example, to move it last it's went with e. So here moved, d is added in past participle. To closed, d is added. Please, pleased. To receive, received. So here now next b, verbs ending in y. When a regular verb ends in y, immediately preceded by a constant, the y is changed to I. So here whenever the words are ended with y, so here it has been replaced by I before the ending ed is added. So at the end e is added. So whenever the word letter at the ends with y, so here ied as added. Example, to study, studied. To reply, replied. Apply, applied. Ed is added. However, when a regular verb ends in y immediately preceding by a vowel, so here the y letter is a consonant, so here next letter will be vowel. So the y is not changed before the ending ed is added. So here to play, so here play is there. So here vowel, he is what? E is a vowel letter, so here ed is added. Played, so here y has been not changed, only ed is added. So to play, played. To convey, conveyed. To enjoy, enjoyed. So here next, verbs ending in a single consonant preceding by a single vowel. So here, so the rules concerned the doubling of the final consonants will apply when added the ending ing form to form the participle. Also when adding the ending ed to form the past participle. So here example, to run, here last letter is there, consonant is there. So here to run, n is there. So here again the same letter n is repeated. So here running, ing form is also there. Running, running. So here n is repeated for twice. So here n is a constant. So here running. So here to plan, planning. So here n is there. After that ing form is used in the participle. Now we discuss about past participle.